people. I hope you all are safe and sound in your home. So, my name is Sheikh Wasi, and welcome back to the third video of my life learning series, which is called Let's Grow Legendary. So, as part of today's discussion, we are going to discuss about how to unlock full potential of your mind by Joe Dispenza. So let's get started. So Dr. Joe Dispenza is a neuroscientist, and he is well known for this for conducting this research work, this deep research work and experimentation about this neuroscience and quantum field and epigenetics. And he has also known for this different kind of meditation and researching and studying this meditation, the effect of meditation in human life. And basically is trying to find new health technique by using human body, or by using the human behavior, or human mind. So, and he also wrote so many beautiful books. Out of them, two are like You Are the Placebo and Becoming Supernatural are the most powerful book of Joe Dispenza. So you can read that book. So what is a placebo? Like in our belief system is more stronger than our body. So it can change it can change our body internally. So what is a placebo? Placebo is a medicine, is a tablet that has no effect. So what doctor do with placebo? Like he said to the patient that it is a medicine of your it is a remedy of your problem. And he gave that tablet to that patient. So the patient believed that it is the remedy of my health problem. So he take it, and he believed that I take that medicine and I'll be fine in some days. So in that belief, he take that medicine continuously, and his belief system is so so empowering in with some time period, so that he will finally he will came out of that health problem. So this technique is called placebo technique. So in that field, Joe Dispenza has conducted and studied so much deeply. So what he experienced, that like our mind, our subconscious mind is only 5% of our mind, we know. And our he said our body is a unconscious mind, because what we experience means from so longer period of time in past, our body is adapted to that. So if we try to install some new habit, so we need to when we decided from our 5% of our conscious mind, our body resists that. Like how can you suddenly change if it will it is a habit of your, like, from last 25 years. So what Joe Dispenza says, like, in an average day, all human beings are experiencing like 60 to let's say 60 to 70 thoughts. And that out of that, 90% of the thoughts are are those which we experience in past. So if we don't experience this new thought, like what we already experience, that only we are that we are only fit to our mind and our body. So we are basically, we didn't grow. So if I want to install something, if I want to become a powerful and the best version of myself, I want to install some new habits. So what he says, like, I need to feed that thing to my mind, to my body, that I need to experience that thing. So he says, like, how can I predict future? So you can, he said, like the best way to predict future is to create it. You can create your future by your thought, because as I explained, what thought what thought is going inside my mind, that have a experience, and that experience has an emotion, and if that emotion is related to that thought, if I experience different kind of like that those thought which I want in my future, so I can experience that emotion, and I can create that kind of reality in quantum field, so that my body is adapted to that experience, and it will be easier to accomplish that target. So what he explained, like our body is don't know the difference between a experience and a real thing. He only know the experience of a thing. Like if I'm doing something, he our body, that it doesn't, unconscious mind, or what he said, like our body, he doesn't differentiate between a real workout on and between a virtual workout. What is said, like visualization technique. So here come the beautiful concept of meditation. Like in meditation, you can feed those thoughts, like that you can really experience that thought which you want in your future, so that you're on over means by doing this meditation over a period of time, your body and your mind is adapted to that thought, like a new thoughts. So uh, so it will be easier to accomplish your target. Like before, as he explained, like you don't like in an average day, what you are experiencing, and the thoughts which you are experiencing, 90% of those, what you are already experienced in past. So let's say you want to accomplish your some target of yours which you don't experience in past. How can you create that in your reality? So the best technique he gave, that will fully upgrade your mindset to that level of thought, is a visualization technique. You can visualize all of those things in meditation, so that your mind and your body is adapted to that thought. So by this way, you cannot record a outer world to experience those thoughts. You cannot wait for that moment that you experience that thought, so that you get knowledge and your mind will grow. So you in by use of meditation and visualization technique, you can really cultivate that thought into a reality, and you can experience that thought, so that and your thought will create your reality. So I hope you will like this video. If you like it, you can also read those two books, like You Are the Placebo and Becoming Supernatural, where he discuss all of this technique in very briefly. So that is it for today. See you again in next video. Thank you.